Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is Machli Jal Ki Rani Hai. Okay, so children, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is a fish. This is a fish. Yes. Now, do you know, children? Fish is water animal because they live in water. Now, let us see the body parts of fish. See, what is this? This is the mouth of fish. These are the eyes. This is head. And this is fin. Yes. And these are the scales. What they are called? Scales. And this is tail. Yes. What is this? This is the tail of fish. Yes. Now children, let's recite the rhyme. The title of the rhyme is Machli Jal Ki Rani. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। Okay, children. Now, once again, we'll recite the rhyme with action. And you will also repeat after me, okay? So, children, say with me. Title of the rhyme is मछली जल की रानी है। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। Okay, shall we repeat the rhyme once again? Okay. The title of the rhyme is मछली जल की रानी है। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। Very good. Children, now let's recap. Now tell me, children, what is the title of the rhyme? Yes, मछली जल की रानी. Yes, मछली जल की रानी. Very good. Fish is which type of animal? Yes, fish is the water animal. And why do they called as water animal? Yes, because they live in water. Very good. Now it's an activity time. We are going to make a fish out of origami paper. Okay, children? Children, now let's start with the activity. Now, we are going to make a fish. Now, for this activity, we will require a square shape color paper. Okay? See, I have taken orange color paper. You can take any color paper. Okay children, and this is origami paper. Now we are going to take one more small square paper, see like this. Okay, this should be different color. Okay, I have taken red color now. Now ask your mama to cut this shape. Okay, we need this, we will require this also. Okay children, then also ask your mama to make eyes for the fish. Okay, for this will require two small circle shape. Okay, then ask her to draw a eyes like this. Okay children, so now let's start with the activity. So first we'll take this paper, square paper. Okay, now we are going to make a fan. It's very easy children, see, like this, a small fold. Yes, now make it upside down. Now fold from here, see like this. Again from here, see, this way. Okay, now fold this in half. See, fold this join this to point. Okay, like this. Yes, see, this way. It should look like a fan. Okay, now we are going to keep this aside. Now again take this small square paper. Same thing we are going to do for this paper. We are going to make a fan out of this. Okay, same as we have done for this. See, like this. I had already done. Okay, and what I did here, I paste gum over here. See, on this end we are going to paste a gum. Okay, like this. Joint it. Okay, like this. Done. Now we are going to take this shape, right, and we are going to paste it here this way. Okay children, for a fin. Yes, so let's paste. Apply Fevicol or gum on this. See, and paste it like this. Yes, see, this way. Now see, this is the tail of the fish. Now this we are going to paste it here this way. Okay children, see. So let's apply gum, all over this way. Now stick it on this point. Now join this in this way. See children, now open this like this. Yes, see, our fish is ready. Yes, now we are going to stick eyes on it. Okay, here. Yes, same on the back side. Like this. Okay, see, our fish is ready. Look here. See, these are the fins. Yes, and this is the tail, and these are the eyes. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, see. Okay. So children, I hope you'll have enjoyed the activity and you will learn the rhyme at home. Thank you.